Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 4. How are you, boys? I hope you all are fine and happy. Boys, today we are going to start our class 4 first term syllabus. Okay? So let's pray from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to increase our knowledge and bless us with good wisdom that we can use in all aspects. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. So boys, our first chapter is about numbers and arithmetic units. Let's open our first chapter. So here page number 1, and you can see, boys, our chapter name is number and arithmetic operations. Numbers in math, you know, the counting number 1, 2, 3 are called numbers, okay? And arithmetic operations, here I have written addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These 4 operations are called arithmetic operations. A is silent voice. So in this chapter, what we will know? We will first know about the place value of a given digit. Okay? What is a place value? A place value tell the position of a digit. Like you get to know the position, you got the position in your exams. Okay? So place value also tell the positions of digits. Then we will know about the expanded form. So in expanded form, we write place value of digit from left hand side to right hand side with the operator addition. Then we will know about successor. Success means to move forward. So successor means the digit that comes after the given digit. Then we will know about predecessor. Here you can see it is pre. Pre means before. Okay. So the predecessor means the digit that comes before the given digit. So boys, let's start and turn the page number 2. And here you can see it is page number 2. So move forward on the top of page number 2. Okay, here you can see written numbers. Now we will look with numbers up to 9 digit, that is 100 millions. Okay, can you see it? It is million. Let us consider the following place value chart. As I have told you, what is a place value chart? It tells the position of a given digit. Okay. Now, in class 3, we have learnt about the place value unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, so we know about the ones and thousands. Now we will know about millions. Okay, boys, what are millions? We will know about these. So boys, here you can see it is a 6-digit number, and a 6-digit number means 100,000. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now a 7-digit number with 6 zeros, and on the left hand side is 1. So this one is in the M block, and M stands for million as TH stand for thousand. Okay. So with T, as T is along with M, it means 10 millions. As H is along with M, it means 100 million. So the next digit is 8-digit number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, and 1 is on the left hand side, and it lies in the 10 million column. So it means these are 10 millions. Now you know there are 6 zeros in 1 million, and 7 zeros in 10 millions, and 8 zeros in 100 million. Remember it always. Okay. And as we know, we move from right hand side to left hand side, the value increases. Here it was unit, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, and then 100 million. So the digits are increasing. Okay. Now you can see, boys, they are saying a 9-digit number is 630,057,789. Okay, it is a 9-digit number, and you can see we have here a 9-digit place value: unit, tens, hundred, 3-digit, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 6-digit, million, 10 million, 100 million, 9-digit. Boys, when we were in class 2, we were using commas after 3 digits. But now, in the past year, 2020, our books told us that International Place Value System has escaped using commas. Now they say place just give a small space after every 3 digit from right hand side. Okay? Okay, you remember it? So we are revising it. Now we are placing the 9 in unit, 8 in tens, you can see, 7 in hundred, then again this 7 in thousand, 5 in 10,000, 0 in 100,000, 0 in million, 3 in 10 million, 6 in 100 million. Here you can see I have circled this 6. Now tell me the place value of this 6. You all can tell me because it is already in a place value chart. So the value of 6 is 600 million, or we can do it. I will write 6 under 6 and all these digits after 6 will turn into zeros. And here you can see I have written place value of 6 is 100 million, or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Here you can see these are after 6, 8 zeros, and after every 3 zero from right hand side are space. Okay, no comma. If I say you to write this number that I have underlined with pencil, if I ask you to write this number in expanded form that you have done in class 3, so what you are going to do? You have to write the place value of 6, then addition, place value of 3, then addition, place value of 0, then addition, and like this you will move toward here. Here you can see place value of 6, then plus sign, 3. I will write 3 and after 3 will be 7 zeros. Here you can see 7 zeros. Then I have written plus sign, and in million is 0, 0 and after 0 are 6 zeros. Then here you can see in 100,000 place is 0, so 6 zeros, and after 0 is 5. I have written 5 with 4 zeros, and then 7 is on 1000 place, 7 space and 3 zeros of 1000, plus 7 is on 100 place, 700, plus 8 on tens place, 8 tens, plus 9 is on unit place. Okay, so this is called the expanded form. If I ask you to tell me the predecessor of this digit, boys, what you have to do, you have to add 1 in the unit place. Just below 9 you will write 1 and then add. It will be the successor. But if I ask you to tell me the predecessor, what you will do? You will write 1 under 9 on unit place. Okay, always remember, in predecessor and successor we have to write 1 on the right hand side. Okay, most right hand side on unit place 1. If it is successor we will add, if it is predecessor we will subtract. Okay, let's move toward our objective exercise, boys.